Good morning, children. Today I am going to tell you about me and my family. Yes, I am going to tell you about me and my family. My name is Jasprit Kaur Chhabra. I am a girl. I live in Raipur, Chhattisgarh. The name of my school is GVMR International Play School. I live in a joint family with my parents and grandparents. I call my grandmother Dadi and I call my grandfather Dadu. My family loves me a lot and I also love my family a lot. This is about me and my family. You also tell about you and your family. After the concept of me and my family, we are going to do an activity. The name of the activity is making ball with newspaper. These are newspaper. For this, we need a big sheet of newspaper. You can see this, and what you have to do? Just crush it. Crush it, crush it, crush it tightly, tightly, tightly for making a ball. Crush it, crush it, crush it. See, my ball is ready. Okay, now throw it and catch. Throw it and catch. We can play with the ball. We can make a small ball too by taking a small piece of newspaper. Fold it and crush it tightly, 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 tightly. See, the small ball is ready for your younger brother or sister, isn't it? You can play with them also. Throw it and catch. Throw it and catch. So, big ball and small ball. Both balls are ready for you and your brother and sister. But remember, don't throw the newspaper balls or newspaper here and there. Keep your